Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, I don't know what happened to this GoPro, but it had an attitude again. The first two segments of the ride, for some reason, it recorded it entirely upside down. So I had to delete that, and the only thing that I got to show you is the end of the ride. Alright, what's up, people? I'm back. Yeah, I got some information from the mechanic. And he wasn't really sure because of this different revolution motor. Alright, let's go home. Had a nice little ride, nice little chat with the mechanic. He's busy as busy. He's the only guy I'll trust to ever work on my vehicles. To see how long, if this second part of the ride is gonna come out or not. The way this GoPro's being fussy lately. Beautiful day for a ride. Okay, let's just decide to turn at the last minute. Alright, see how long this video is gonna be. Maybe we'll cut half of it. Definitely want to get that part though with the coming down that crazy milled road. Man, that was a mess. I tell you though, this 500, that Revolution motor, boy, she's got power, man. It's like instant. You don't gotta be like at 3,000 RPMs or something for the main power to kick in. No, this is touch that throttle and bam, she goes. And she's like that throughout the whole range. I got to start experimenting with different ways to get this stuff into the video into the iPad, because usually I just Bluetooth it to the Quick app, but you have to like download each segment one at a time. Then you got to hit to play it. Then I got to download it from the Quick app to my photo album, and then you got to wait for a while for that to do that too. And then once they're all downloaded into the photos, then I can put them into the iMovie app, which is what I use to do all the editing. You know, break it up, add stuff in, take it out, whatever. And then I'll get all that, and then I download it, well, I save a copy to the photos again, just in case something happens, and then I get it uploaded to YouTube, and then once it's there, is unlisted, then I'll get the Chromebook out and end up doing the end screen and some other quick little adjustments like the thumbnail and stuff like that that you can't do on the iPad for some reason. None of that even comes up. So I'm just wondering, I have a SD card reader and transfer thing, so I'm able to put an SD card in that reader, put it on the iPad, and then I could take like pictures or whatever off of the iPad and put it onto the card, and then once it's on the card, then I could either transfer it through the Chromebook onto a 2 terabyte hard, you know, little jump drive or flash drive, whatever you want to call it, for permanent storage. But the Chromebook, it's just like no memory, it's slow, you know, it won't even barely even take like a 15-minute video. Cop, it looked like it, undercover cop or something. There's been some people going around on dirt bikes doing wheelies and everything, you know. I mean, yeah, that's cool, it's all fun, but you know, a lot of people see that and then they're like, oh, you stupid motorcycle people, you know, they kind of give us a bad name. Not that I'm putting down, because hey, I had a TS250 trailing street bike and I did the same thing. But you know, do it in your, you know, own neighborhood, or you know, go to some park or something, or some road that's not really traveled that much. Alright people, we're back. So as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the ding-a-ling bell, and hopefully this came out good, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out people. There's my tomato plants. Woohoo.